Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off 2G network on Android phone. It works only in the Android 16 phones, which are in the betas right now, so if you have Android 15 you won't have this option. Firstly, we need to enter settings, and then we need to open network internet. Here we have the top SIMs, and now play. Our SIM card, which I do have here, play. Now we have to scroll all the way down. Here, as you can see, we have 2G network protection. We have to have it enabled, like I do have right now. Avoid 2G networks, which are less secure. This may limit connectivity in some places. Emergency calling is always allowed. That's it, always helps you, and have a nice day.